To make a book, you need a sheet of paper and a pair of scissors. The first step is to fold your paper in half, just like this. Now we're going to fold it in half again, just like this. Guess what? We're going to fold it in half one more time. Okay, here comes the first tricky part, and it's not that tricky, but you are going to need to pay very close attention. Are you ready? This is where you're going to need your scissors. Okay, this is the tricky part. So take a look at your paper. You can see where we've folded it. Okay, look very closely. There's my middle fold line. Now we're going to cut a really thin piece from here all the way to here, a really thin piece. Are you ready? So just watch. I'm starting at this one corner and I'm cutting this really thin line, and I'm gonna stop right here at this fold line. All right, you can see how thin of a little piece that is. And then this is why we cut just a thin piece. We want a hole in the middle of our paper. Do you have a hole in your paper? So this part is also tricky. I'm gonna show it to you a couple times. You need the hole at the top, and we're gonna push the two sides towards each other. You see how I did that? I pushed the two ends so that that hole pops open. So I'm gonna flatten it on my table and then fold it in half. And that makes the book. Now I'm gonna show this to you a couple more times, so if you didn't quite get it, just keep watching. Okay, so here's my paper. My hole's at the top. Now I'm gonna push the two sides together. You see how it kind of flattens itself? And then fold it like a book. And you have all your pages.